Hi, I'm Tanae N. Maddox, an attorney at the Maddox Law Firm. When potential clients call us regarding a divorce with children, they always have one question. Should I or should I not hire an attorney for this? So today's video, we're going to discuss a few of the steps that are involved in a divorce with children. First, you would need to start with gathering all your important information. W-2s, tax returns, paycheck stubs, as well as any health or life insurance. These things will be used to draft your petition and file it with the court on your behalf. The second thing that you would need to do is to prepare for mediation. In Texas, mediation is typically required if there is any type of dispute with regards to child custody. The courts will not hear anything from you before you go to mediation and try to work it out between the two of you. The next step would be temporary orders. Now, if you and your spouse did not agree at mediation on things like who should keep the home, who would be the primary parent of the child, then you would have to go to a temporary orders hearing where a judge would decide on those things. And those things would actually be a part of your divorce until you go to final mediation. Okay, so now you're done with mediation, you've completed temporary orders. The next step is discovery. Discovery is a process where we collect a lot of documents from you and your spouse to evaluate the marital estate as well as the separate estate. This will let us know what the liabilities and the assets are that have been accumulated during the marriage or some things that may have been accumulated before the marriage. With that, after discovery has been completed, we'll go to final mediation. Final mediation is actually to finalize your divorce. This gives you another opportunity to get with your spouse and come to an agreement before a final trial. This is the last step. If you and your spouse did not agree in final mediation, then you will proceed to a hearing in front of a judge. The judge will then listen to both sides and make a ruling. This ruling will then be reduced to writing, which is called a final decree. The final decree has to be signed by both parties as well as any attorneys involved. This will have everything that the judge said in writing for you to agree upon. However, if you actually agreed in mediation, then those things agreed to in mediation will be in your final decree. Once the final decree is signed by all parties, the next thing to do is to prove up the divorce. This only requires one party to attend a hearing, answer a few questions that the judge may have, and to show that both of you are in agreement to this divorce. We know that preparing for something as confusing and lengthy as a divorce with children can be super overwhelming. It's extremely overwhelming. And you don't want to get so confused that you mess something up. Give our office a call today to hire an attorney that can help guide you through this process.